Pick up the trash, put it in its place. Sweep, sweep, push, push, keep up the pace. Recycling can be fun, pick up the paper. Sort it right, your recycling caper. Take the trash, put it in the bin. Yay! Yay! You're done, now give a grin! Pick up the trash, where does it go? Look at the bin if you don't know. Sweep, sweep, off it goes. Recycling fun, pick up the plastic, here it flows. Recycling can be fun, pick up the glass. Sort it nicely, put it in the class. Sweep, sweep, push, push, away it goes. Recycling fun, see how it flows. Pick up the trash, where does it go? Look at the bin if you don't know. Pick up the trash, sweet grain, push it through. Resucking for meat, for Berlin, for you. If that's wrong, pick up for me stuffing. Yay! For the potato done. Have those pieces sunning. Something makes the world so sunny.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel at Kids Cartoon Bonanza.